Hey YouTube, Desert Knife Guru, and we're going to do a flashlight review and comparison. Here you have in front of you is 3 higher end tactical style LED flashlights. You have the Inova X2, Surefire G2, and Surefire 6P. This one is going to be a little less than 6 inches long. This one's going to be a little less than 5.5 inches long. And this one's going to be a little less than 5.5 inches long also. This one is made out of hard ionized aluminum with a stainless steel ring around the rubberized tail cap and a stainless steel ring around the emitter head. This one's going to have a Nitrolon body with a hard ionized aluminum head. And this one's going to have a hard ionized aluminum body. This one has a plastic or Lexan style lens. This one has a Lexan lens. This one has a Pyrex lens. This one runs on 2 AA batteries. This one runs on 2 CR123 batteries. And this one runs on 2 CR123 batteries. This one has a runtime of about 3.5 hours. This one has a runtime of about 12 hours. And this one has a runtime about 11 hours. This one weighs in at 5.5 ounces. This one weighs in at 5.5 ounces. This one weighs in at 4.5 ounces. Both the Surefires have kind of a hex collar on them, prevent them from rolling away from you. This one does not. This one is about $35. This one's about $65. And this one is about $85. This one, 85 lumens. This one, 80 lumens. And this one, 80 lumens. As per 2010, which these are older, last year's models, this is a 107 lumen flashlight now, as of 2010. So it's jumped up 22 lumens as per 2010. As of 2010, for both these Surefires, they've jumped from 80 to 120 on both these as of 2010. So the lumens have jumped up to 40 lumens brighter on both these models as of this year. So I'm anxious to see what a difference those two are going to be. I like the weight on this one, and I'm not sure about the durability of the Nitrolon. I have to wait and see. All 3 of them have aluminum emitter heads. So as we know, as for technology, all 3 of them are going to work very well with heat. They're going to dissipate the heat. Even though these are LEDs, they do create some heat, When they run the lights for any length of time, you can feel that they get pretty warm. You can see on the Surefire lights, it says caution, hot surface. I don't know if it's that hot, but I guess they do get pretty warm. So looking at 3 different price points, is the $20 for this one worth getting it for this one? Not really sure. This one, if you want the runtime, you definitely probably want to either go to the next model up, which is the X03, and then you're switching over to the CR123s. So you're going to get some more lumens and a little bit more runtime. Not much though. They're always constantly changing. It's hard to keep up with. I'm always wanting to pretty much get the best models on all 3 of them, but after a while you have to just give up, because they're gonna change, they're gonna improve, and you can only own so many flashlights, right? No, I don't think so. Never can have too many flashlights. I've been collecting flashlights since I've been 8 years old, and I don't think that'll ever change. But at the end of this video, I'm going to shine the lights down the hall and see if you can notice the difference between the 80 and the 85 lumens on the X2 and the Surefire. So, thanks for watching, and any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye. Okay, I'm back. This is going to be the 6P. We'll do that one first. There's a 6P at about, I don't know, 20 feet. Here's the G2. Pretty much the same for the 2 Surefires. Okay, and here's going to be the X2. I know about X2. This is supposedly has 5 more lumens. So let's check it out. 5 more lumens. There's the X2 and the 6P. So definitely, I think that 5 lumens makes a difference, but your runtime is not going to be good. So we'll do them both at the same time, see if you can tell the difference. Yeah, there's definitely a 5+ lumen difference there. So any questions? Let me know, and I'll talk to you later.